was young Mobia Quaba, and about by Grace TV. So you said, Tradian Point, Uncle Pad, Mobia, Madaroma, Oberkain, one like and all comments, and our share. I'm out for France when you be a share. Therefore, not subscribe with your my name. So, wait, I mean, sure. Now, when you also welcome us one day, and from us, I'll be able to say the breaking news here, and it says, said the name Tamaklo. Yeah, discharging. In fact, the appeals court are discharging. She has been acquitted and discharged over the 10-year jail term. Now, you're born, say, I'm going to in fish yet. And I'm so, Emma, I said, yes, right in free America, Richmond, every Jew can say. Then the end buy in a court support. That's the news about Sabria. I generated huge controversy over my intent and video so and mountains, baby, I will be a man for Kawasabu. I said, really, is a country really serious about fighting corruption? And I say, Abribia, say, Abaya Tia Kunyasno, and then call for the almost on the moon, Abaya and Tia Kunyasno opposition or more, and the B2 on Sosa, the end one with the. I'm a force at dragging Chama Wontumi, as 7 years, that should be a buying sa now was no come you couldn't with the Kunyaswa, it be a son of bay. She's in Simbebury, and then film. But first of all, I can't said Nam Tamakla, and why said Nam Tamaklo is a member of the National Democratic Congress, NDC Americano, yeah, and there was some when you some Peter Kwana, bra, and canning. Now, I'm paying Mahama, Etia Kunyaso, President Mahama's first term from 7th of January 2013, and it goes 7th of January 2017. If we are film pim, you know, any do me and some more. And it goes a film pim, you know, any do from 2013 to 2016. Nasa Nam Tamaklo, no, and yes, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, at the Maslock, Yakasa Maslock, a microfinance and small loan center. Eka government agencies ni bi ho a na omo hwe so omo so ankrankramu asoso nipa odo mu no watimi atumpo no watimi aye nwuma ama oso aba afaso e di ama omai from 2013 to 2016 and the era president Mahama e pa no a na do be hwe akiri se CEO e de ma Maslock na busia e di mu a na beto dwa se ye maami bra onya akwanya na wo so di dwumadie se Maslock CEO no e di ma bebre na course wo na bre so a na ehadwen ema bebre na course won breso a na etia Ghana mra etie bono ko du bebre ema sabre ya aban sisa ye MPP am yeko betina kunya so no attorney general no ho yera Godfrey de bo adame one yoko enya nkita on bebre epa dance ye ni nchiremu awodo ye hye se ye ma me se na tamakron wa from Ghana mra wa kwan bebre so ema no nti obedi kujina court on the 30th of January and anasem shase e wo court kakran ya na court area nsemo court di nsem no ama na ko wi afim pimienu ene 30th of January 2019 minche musa and na court shase so won di nasem court di nasem wa e ma na ko ya ma ko do 5 years later in 2024 April bosome 9 that was bosome 9 e wa afim pimienu ene edi no 9 mu and na court hwe ni nsem na wi hu so da bi e ma me said nam tamaklo odifo enti the court do bono na yenche mu se now wa kwantum America go to she was tried in absentia na say no only one and I hear trying and rana ho kwan sa say tie ni sa then I'm saying na oh my Ghana no yana so about Ghana she was tried in absentia and from 2019 January 30th January 2019 ebesi April 2024 sabre na abanya sesa ma pani Mahama free akunya so ko am MPP amanyoko na betina akunya so sabre ma pani na danko akufo the vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and attorney general any Yoko Economic and Organized Crime Office ekabo etu na mo bebre epe adanse awdo obetima gina so e dia bo e ma mi ko de da bigina mredi na kaka 5 years later April 2024 and High Court yeah timwafo ye ma mi Justice Efiase wa asare botwe etina se ebu ase da bi ye ma mi wodifo na nam se wodifo ntino ye fa ne ko twere Efiase mfinshi ye 10 years ye fa ne ko to Efiase ko do what the born na ya hodo be se edioson and what 78 counts any the born ya na bi and still o wi ade afei unlawfully causing financial loss to the state so bo mine ka kotiko bi so boy mine Ghana ka afei o ma ejapade yera ni ade ni the bi born afei o tua o mine sika one fan kwan so amani kwan so be ko sika kwan o de ko money laundering na ya kwadu ya the born ko do be said your son what 78 charges and the boy man said nam tamaklo ya nti ma ko bu ase 2024 April yen fan ko 12 years enfinhye du na ko enko som Ghana ban afei kwa mani kudu so be kaya sa abro na mu ano ye see wo di mama slop no kantamanto eja ye to ho ema na o sa ban di sika ema ma no dwedefo ne ade nyina enhwemu ba beto odwa se she was accused at that time say sika kra na o se ode boa na Kantanka to adwadefo o de ma omo eja o marketplace e wa hye ne ade na akwa eno no omo si sika no ti e kodu ba akwa de bo no afei sama stop you media we be omo die e de aboa se ya nkrankra afei companies a odo kakra o ma hye ase obetime tu mpo no ma drive no ni nyina no de o so de ye no e be to dwa se na wa amfa anye ya sebi obo man ne kro ni na ne kan obi e ma court boas da bi sade a yemfa no kotwe afiase mfinhye du na mo nam se na oni Ghana ha April 2024 court boas na oni Ghana hanti na mo be hia se because he was tried in absentia na mo be hia se ye ne be fra akwantu aba Ghana ha na ye na be twe afiase na no na akoye boachi bidin ya che se ene na akoye sei ade achi na we sei na nsem na ye bebre ya na ye hu de be na ne di mu a kakra yankopon twedi ampo adom afi we ya ye wo mu ya sebi America ban no agitu mu se obema said nam tamakro aba Ghana that was June but some ye twa mu ya America ban agitu mu se obema kwa no extradite said nam tamakro aba Ghana na wa be hye na fiase in jail term no 10-year jail term no oba be hye ase until last month ya na yankopon twedi ampo adom ye ma me said nam tamakro ye ja no every America betu am na aba Ghana ya oba yi na ni agi se o obehye infinity edu na se be boa na ma oman Ghana amra na timi aye adwuma eno na ne yen ka bi so do sorry ya sabredi the free appeal court e waka e ba na se ye ma me said na ntoma ko the 10-year jail term no ye free so yes she has been acquitted and discharged and won a 10-year custodial sentence na ye the national emo na nchimo mo de benedi ntia omo yi sa 10-year jail term free so first of all nchimo yi say ajaji for appeal court judge for me and sa na tena konya so baako justice Emmanuel Ankama afi baako justice the account justice Emmanuel Senior Abedahi afi the account be justice Samuel Oben wa mo na tena asem no so ya mo gran asem na mo ko adu ana say the entie mo mu gina so no ma discharge e wa me said nam tama ko ni na say wa mo say atemwo no e course so in a year from 2019 to 2024 that justice Afia Sewa Asare botwe ebu say yemfa no koto afiase yefa sidam tama ko koto afiase mfinhye do no na uhwemu a saa table na ekoso temwani ene court wet na asem so wantumi ankyere wo nsemu a ma danse ankosi pidie ntia na wo said na tamakro ekotwe afiase mfinhye do ndo kyerɛ mu sɛ di kan appeal court no bu asem ena wo ka sɛ oman no code bofo ya wo de code bo ye ma me said na tamakro saa bre ema no nti ye de koto afiase mfinhye do no omo ye mfonso esan so omo ntumi ankyere omo nsem yie beyond reasonable doubt the entia na wo se said na tamakro ne to afiase mfinhye do omo ntumi improve omo case say oh e bia say ni say na why the entia America so why say ni tie ni say yemfa ne fa say ni ade omo ntumi ankyere nsem no mu yie ye ntina e warrant say yemfa said na tamakro ko to afiase mfinhye do ene obako afei temwafo no omo appeal court judges ya ne omo bu asem so omo ja na omo chem yo omo san chem so High Court no cry here di asem na obu asem na tamakro say yemfa ne ko to afiase mfinhye do no womo amfa womo ani anto womo ignore the basic rule say obia say the asem to obi so a copy say court beto ne bu asem na di asem na awie nipa no ya ma no fair trial na obe kyerɛ ni nsemu na bia e be kyerɛ mu awie nipa no wa kyerɛ ni nsemu ana wo say oh still na ya kyerɛ wo nsemu na so obu abo into difficult ko kyerɛ afiase no so nipa no ya ma no fair trial ya fa ne say we innocent nti won say it be back cry say ya si obi akokum obi enipa na kum obi awia anka hotel say it's alleged say obi akum obi we hotel ofu a na ya fa ne ko to afiase but ya ma ne kwan say yem fa na sem kokko ne enkodi or lawyer ya lawyer betu be case for no the court lawyer tim be case e mani pakro no what be training nsem ye kura e man chese e timi ja no so despite the fact say bia obi alleged say nipa na kum obi no obi a right to fair trial to be kaya in the year 2023 oh Kumasi ya abrantie bia na your friend say Inspector Twumasi takum madwa no e posi pen obeto obi ase okum aba be friend say madwa sa bra na yes okum no na ya less okum no nyina now right to fair trial and ne ba court to akọ say 2 years be say 1 year 7 months ni edi na sem ya na lawyer be make case that be onifo na chesensem be because obi a right to fair trial na temwafo ya omotena appeal this one normally charge said nam tamakoi o mo asem o mo kan say o court kura ya a high court transfer so bu ano o mo overrule so mo ignore the basic rule say accused person be an or innocent copy be proven guilty then say o mo ntimi anhwe ni mo proven guilty and na o mo bu asem fa ko twa fiase eye mfinhye du and now for another grounds o mo use o mo dey cast and say adansi outdoor yeah na e work court ma court ejina so e dey bu Asanteman Tamaklo former CEO for Maslocking President Muhammad's first step 10 years say fa no control if you asin finish no sa adansi no NCP adansi no ye short of the legal standard yeah nke be hia ma sa court bi sa time ejina ma enti adansi outdoor sa bre attorney general go for the bu adame afi yoko economic and organized crime office ene enyumeku outdoor ya aka omu na de boy ya ma me said Asanteman Tamaklo ati one for example our peace coordinator say na dance ya no NCP sa dance ya no mo ha ye emunye du say betumi egina mu ama no nti abase ye mfa ne kwotwe fiase mfinhia du ti we nyina so ya omo hwemu a da bi eni kwan say ya ma me said Asanteman Tamaklo ye ne kwotwe fiase mfinhia du sabia no kase de she has been acquitted and discharged yes she said Asanteman Tamaklo e fubu bia eni ne ho ya so on funny tini dim na won ko enko bon bra charges ni bi na stealing afei all cause financial washa da so obebo my Ghana ka afei obesha da se obema o maja pade bia hira afei se utika bi kwa otua anyone so otua ne sa ya your mind sika your no sika afei money laundering ya di na your code how do ya te bon ya sisi ya de busua the breaking news about say sebi that peace court say unfortunately no anyway ekogba say na manfo busa say nyene se kogba sa dia ene na chama Wontumi because he didn't say I want to use your jail 20 years. Yes, says yeah, the opposition MPP for us shall say kasa. Says some at dia omuni sheka. Na dachi bia enchenche wanafe. Almost bombo kwanya. Only chama want to be because ebe fast. But is that how it's supposed to be? He said dachi bi ebi ade baby abami betele kunya so a na only nko for the sana bi no madwe yo mo kanye na meka. O madwe yo mo so sabaya te kunya so na huni pa bi gura ye bibia. Na say huni pa bi twere fiase a abane betse kunya so timi gya ne ho nipa no ana obepem kwa mi so ski wo niema am ye gya no ana sana manfo ka ebi so be case no maybe there are solid grounds anti ama tinwafo ye wa peace court ahwehwe mo say said Asanteman Tamaklo 10 years squared ne koto afiase no any grounds bia enti amanfo ahase ye link to chama want to be case wa wo hwe me wadaro ma wadwen che ne say you think say it is that argument amanfo make say abire bia abane betse kunya so a now the near opposition for so ne mo no an for the or should you say that peace court was that solid grounds in tia Amawaja said the Asanteman Tamaklo sabre so for infinity no be anya so but another update Airbus sabia no kase ni say the Attorney General and Ministry of Justice that's you see abaya tia kunya so the Attorney General that's Dominic Ahini and mpanyefo enzo be kasa na amanfo 3 man yo pa ebe to dwa say court ejai ye maame said Asanteman Tamaklo no so ba e de krata ba say o produce wenye yi na said Asanteman Tamaklo wo jan no abaya tia kunya ya so yo o so Attorney General now the Attorney General about kasisi ya also the ababonte ya na small can say Attorney General say peace court ja mo ja said Asanteman Tamaklo no o mo ntum de biara da na almost be sha say no more appeal the ruling of the Attorney General. Yes, indeed. If you ever call a higher court and answer a Brennan Krabby and a better. Indeed, there's a press release from the Attorney General. I will say the attention of the Attorney General has been drawn to the decision of the Court of Appeal acquitting the former executive officer of the Microfinance and Small Loans Center, Maslock, may set down Attorney Tamaklo of all the charges brought against him. Sabri, Attorney General, Ministry, and the President Muhammad's government. Let's see. I hear my Mr. Asanteman Tamaklo, President Muhammad first time. No, I am Maslock penny pa. I Chief Executive Officer. I my Microfinance and Small Loan Center. Yeah, ne. About to get a peace court. As we jano. Na code create born tia man penny for the breast. You can't so go chef as if you do. Any na so bia. Na ne mukura nye brusa afei ya man right to fair trial no. O mo sans ensem a ene nam ten finish no. Na obekasa kakra they are found. After was say, Mr. Tamaklo was charged with 78 counts of various offenses, including conspiracy to steal, stealing, conspiracy to cause financial loss to the state, causing financial loss to the state, causing loss to public property, improperly payment of public funds, unauthorized commitment resulting in financial obligations to the government, money laundering, and breaches of the Public Procurement Act. In I code out the bottom. And I say, my background of the story, she was tried and convicted in absentia by the High Court, Financial Division 2, presided over by her Ladyship Justice Efia Sewa Asariboche J, sitting as an additional High Court judge. Upon her conviction, she was sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. Now, for the Attorney General, and I say, Minister of Attorney General, in the current government, President Mahama Bayi, will say the Republic opposed the appeal by filing written submissions contending that the appeal lacked merit and ought to be dismissed. Having received notice of the Court of Appeal's decision, the Attorney General has directed the Director of Public Prosecutions to immediately file a notice of appeal to the Supreme Court, together with an application for a stay of execution of the judgment pending the determination of the appeal. Attorney General asɛm a wɔka nyinaa ne sɛ wɔmahu deɛ asi wɔmahu sɛ nam tam akɔyɛgya no na ɛnam sɛ wɔmahu nti no ɔmoto anam ɔyɛ anam ɔmoto ne sɛ ɔmo direct wɔn public prosecution sɛ wɔn ne mu animu yi ama wɔn tena ase wɔn nkɔ file appeal ɛwɔ Supreme Court because High Court case na wɔn ti ase kɔ Appeals Court case na wɔn ti ase a court ɛwɔ switch Appeals Court, in this case the highest court of the land, which is the Supreme Court and also the court. Attorney General say ọmọ hu nsẹm wọ ẹkọ so na ebi kura tu ma ne ọmọ so abaya ti akunya so ọmọ ahu nipa na ọmọ gya ne ade na nti saa da bia da this Attorney General say ọmọ direct on public prosecution say ọmọ file a notice of appeal ẹwọ Supreme Court na afenya no ọmọ file notice of appeal ni wi a ọmọ say ẹkọ file stay of execution ẹwọ judgment bi kọ pim say sabi ebe determine appeal ọmọ kọ Supreme Court no na yẹ ka say stay of execution na ni na say court wa ka asem bi na court wa ka asem bi no so there bi asem a court wa ka me bonye so nti me kọ appeal me kọ ye bibi de tia me kọ say court say ko nsan hwe mu biem ebra wo say court so nsan hwe mu biem no say court bra wo hwe mu no sabi asem na wabu an de ho no but yam pesa asem wabu an be judgment court anka for hwe bi to say ko pim say asem no amenti ase am de abase nya ho appeal ye be ka wie no sa atemu na ye bu an e ma entimi nya dwuma nti in this case the Appeals Court ebu ase sadnam tamaklo offer it in the yeah says yeah the 10 years near year fin so but Attorney General Sabre say or file appeal that was Supreme Court now and I'm so file appeal Supreme Court no enya si enya ni asem wi ye jai sadnam tamaklo then also says or file stay of execution say and Supreme Court nhwe say obeka say atemu na High Court dey agbase enya sadnam tamaklo no on ma twentwen so na ka sadnam tamaklo be so ahye afiase ko pim say sabi Supreme Court better say ahwe nsem na bi so obeje Attorney General appeal not to say there be a High Appeals Court ko asem odi aba no any kwan say basa any kwan say Appeals Court judge sadnam tamaklo say ko share afiase na to aso say ko what na bi Supreme Court so hwem na Appeals Court and I say Attorney General asem odi abedan Supreme Court no say onyi ntu no bo ato na samaklo sadnam tamaklo afan say di man and so aja tum sa na ma bia nti am ready no update eba yeah enya asanketo akwa but people are linking this to the chairman Wontumi situation say ekoba san etwa saboni bi ato say da achi aben bi abete akunya so na ne ho nipa bi ho akodin sensem a yes yenya no which on a normal day emwa maye Ghana entum ponti edin sem we achi yes the Attorney General say or remain committed say ebeboa na Ghana mra ene amamre ni amane said yes fatal na the chairman bia everything to point no the Attorney General remains committed to the due process of law and is confident that the appeal before the Supreme Court will succeed. The Attorney General say oh did you pass appeal akwakoye and so akwaye was Supreme Court say said nam tamaklo ma ye njano e ma na nkofie san say wadifo and ye bua no High Court na say appeal court so they be no akwaye the bon adanse bia se de nyina oni ade sa edi kwan se pass anti omo mo gidi say Supreme Court be di omo asana to na said nam tamaklo akoso ahye afiase na say in any case Appeals Court asem and Attorney General asem a working or can say also is the amount for bass amount what I say bash abaya tie konya so any empanifo and Attorney General also is a minister under the present government inti ebinun kwa so kan say obi a afterthought e ba so mu say Ghana for say e bash o mu ti won say be bi say o yen ko Supreme Court yen ko challenge e ruling no but am say ntisa omo the president Mahama na ba ntisa o ma yo madwen say o be say abre bia kabia me mo be adwuma omo nshode any corrupt official enti omo betu na mo say be yamra na be adwuma busia what do you make of this situation said na tamako ye jano no Appeals Court say woni fo ye jano na ema yen kabin shema say sia am no ka say breaking news asa ba ni an say Attorney General e de krata aba bonten press release say waka che public prosecution say omo file a notice of appeal to Supreme Court say omo e ko challenge say na tamako ye jano ma ye jano afi omo say ko file for stay of execution e was Supreme Court say Supreme Court and share Appeals Court ruling say anka yen fan to nchen na High Court ye na was say na tamaklo Maslock CEO former 2013 to 2016 and the former President Mahama administration the first term now onko one share fiase kopim si be determine asem na wie na akoso sa. What do you think say e bi no shall say a political gimmick busy o there be President Mahama is determined say brand be adwuma fa come and bra the better for me ever samba near the Abba. So that's all Jibre. Now share me the cabinet was high by Christy. Mr. One and the can be kind one. Like in the comments in the share my what's the probably yeah the best one. Mackerel. Bye bye.